Hi you lovely people, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the third video in my channel today and I'm very excited because I'll be talking about the clothes, the dresses I bought for Diwali this year, and one of them I'm wearing right now, and yeah, pretty excited to share that with you. Let's go ahead. Before we jump into my clothes, I also wanted to let you know that this Diwali Mela, which happens at Sector 44 Apparel House, is the biggest Diwali exhibitions in Gurgaon. Around 100 stalls participated, showcasing 50,000 products, even more, under one roof. And the products were not only clothes or footwears but also Diwali gifting items, kitchenware, decorative items and whatnot. The first favorite from that day's collection was this. This was not like this at the beginning. I just got a 5-meter long modal fabric and I got it stitched in the Gurgaon boutique which I usually go. So I selected this lace, asked them to have this portlies in the button, and also asked them for the piping which is all over on the arms of this suit. The 5-meter fabric was nicely utilized, making the plaits of this whole dress. The gheras were so heavy and it was maximizing the look of this dress. They have also put a lining inside, and so beautiful, so elegant this laddu pila color dress is. I also got this dupatta with the fabric. I love the dupatta, I love the color, but it wasn't going so much with this dress. I'll be wearing this dupatta with something else. This dress doesn't need a dupatta. Next was this muslin fabric suit. This was semi-stitched and I got it stitched for my size. This piece has beautiful embroidery on its arms and towards the corner of the suit. It came with a beautiful black embroidered dupatta, and the scaling on the pants you can see towards the end was given by the boutique guy. Another thing I loved about this suit was I can also style this without any dupatta. I also forgot to take off the tag. The pants also had pockets in it. Just wanted to show you all how it looked if I wore the dupatta like this. And third and the last one from today's video was this elegant chinon fabric sage green suit set. The best thing I loved about this suit was the floral print all over. This is how the front side of the suit looked like, some sequence work and portly buttons. The suit was ready-made and it was little loose on me. In exhibitions we don't get chance to try it completely, so I had to get the fitting done. It was looking super elegant when I carried dupatta this way. While doing this I also broke one of my earring. I feel so sad. It's broken. Here we come to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Namaste and bye-bye.